I'm gonna be rebranding my business. That is way too big. I can't do it. And these are all labeled. I'm gonna actually just close my shop. I'm so tired. I'm getting a little nervous. We're gonna have another all-nighter. I'm just sick of being on the computer. My finger hurts so bad from editing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I had a genius idea last night. So I made the decision that I'm gonna be rebranding my business. And I plan to have this launched the beginning of next year. So for the longest time, I've always wanted to pack my products in boxes. So the reason I love this idea is because if you have your product packaged in a box, that means you don't need to include the ingredients and like a few other things on the actual bottle of the product. I feel like my labels are very, very cluttered and I really don't like it. So I went on uline.com last night and I looked up all their little gift boxes that they have. I picked out the sizes that I think would fit all my products. I didn't want to just drop a whole bunch of money on all these boxes for them just to not fit. So I messaged Uline very, very late last night actually. And they literally wrote me back within 10 minutes saying, yeah, we'll send you samples of all these boxes. So I will update you guys when I get those boxes in the mail. Oh gosh, this is huge. Oh my gosh, it's like perfect for 4-ounce jars. Oh, that fits perfectly. I could honestly use something smaller. It's just so, that is way too big. Yeah, all right. I'll have to keep looking. That sucks. The only box that ended up working out was for my 1-ounce jars. I do have a better understanding of what sizes are going to fit each product. So I basically scavenged the internet to try to find boxes somewhere else. Good news is I found boxes for basically everything. What I also did last night was make a prototype of my labels. Look at how cute they are. I'm really happy about this. I think it looks so freaking cute. I think this is exactly what my brand needs. All right, so this is a Cricut. Cricut Explorer Air 2. I wanted a cute color, but they were all out of stock, so I had to get the black one. It does like all kinds of things, like it cuts fabric, cuts paper. A lot of people use these to make homemade stickers, but I bought this to cut out my new labels. Did you see my cat's tail? Also, I placed an order with onlinelabels.com, which is an awesome website to order like sticker paper, you know, things to make labels. And I found much better paper to print my labels on. Before I go to order all the little boxes, I want to make sure I can actually use this machine to cut my labels, because if I don't have a machine to cut my labels, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this rebranding. Once I know that these can actually cut my labels, then I can go through and make all the labels for my new products and order all of the boxes. I'm so excited for this. So I'm officially editing the very last label I need to edit. This is super exciting. And now I'm uploading them all into my Cricut, which this is basically what will help cut my labels. And don't worry, I'll do a whole tutorial on how I make my new labels and how I even use the Cricut to cut my labels for me. We officially have all of our labels made. This is our pile. It was bigger, but last night I spent probably like 4 hours labeling some of my new products. But here's just a little look at the labels. So I actually separated everything into boxes. All the things in here are my lip scrubs. I have all their little boxes labeled as well. We've got all the moisturizers over here. I've got serums all filled in here. Underneath here we have toners and then face masks over here. I haven't dug too much into face washes, but I have all of the smaller bottles labeled and all their boxes labeled. And then down here we have body scrubs and face scrubs. So what I do want to say is that this has been so stressful between the holidays and then just, you know, with what's going on in the world right now, and then just trying to do this rebranding while doing my YouTube channel, while running my Patreon, while still fulfilling orders and wholesale orders. I eventually ended up putting a stop to orders entirely, well, wholesale orders. And starting February 1st, I'm going to actually just close my shop for 2 weeks because I think that's the best way to go about this, because now that all my products are made, I can just go ahead and do the photo shoot. So let's just hope taking the photos goes a lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and finish labeling everything else, and then we'll do the photo shoot. So it's finally a picture day. Here's my little setup. So I'm officially on the second to last photo I have to edit, but these are just my photos with a white background. And oh my gosh, I knew it was gonna take me a long time to edit these photos, but it has taken me way longer than I expected. I pulled an all-nighter editing all these photos, and I even edited some of the photos the day before, and I've been editing a bunch of photos this morning as well. And these are just the photos with the white background. It's time for another photo shoot day. This time it's going to take place in my bathroom. I did my nails last night. I wanted them to obviously look good. And another thing I did yesterday was I laid this vinyl down, or I think that's what it's called. I don't know. It's fake marble, granite, whatever you want to call it. And I don't really have like the nicest sink. It was pretty ugly before. It was some sort of pink crap. I don't really know. It was ugly. So I laid this down. I also installed these shelves because I think it'll look cute with the products kind of displayed there. So hopefully they turn out cute. Let's do this. I want to get it over with so I can spend an entire day tomorrow editing. So I figured I'd check in with you all. It's 11:30 now, probably about a little over halfway through. I'm working on the cloud jelly mask right now. I just finished it up, so we're gonna do the rest of the jelly masks, and gosh, can't wait for this to be done. It's 3 a.m. boys, and I'm still not done. How long have I been in here? Since what, 5, I think? I don't know. It's not out of the ordinary for me to be up till 3. So I'm not like tired, but I'm physically tired. I'm so worn out. I'm gonna finish the rest tomorrow. I need a drink. I need something to wind myself down after being in my tiny bathroom all day. That's all I have to say right now. All right, catch up with you guys later. So I've been sitting here editing photos since 2 p.m. maybe. Yeah, so I've been editing photos all day. I didn't end up taking the rest of the photos of all the products that I needed to do because I was too exhausted today. I'll do those tomorrow. But I'm trying to get all the pictures edited from yesterday. I'm close to being done. So I think this is basically like the 3rd all-nighter I've pulled with this rebranding this week. But you know, I really want to get this done by Friday. Try my best. I finished editing around 4 a.m. I went to bed around like 6 a.m. This rebranding has turned me nocturnal. So I just realized, while I'm editing all the photos I took from yesterday, I never took any of the photos of my clay masks. Tomorrow I need to take photos of my clay mask, but all day today, since I think like 5 p.m, I've been editing the photos from yesterday. I'm almost done. I'm getting a little nervous because I want everything to be done by midnight on Thursday, so that means I only have 2 more days. So let's see if I can get it done. My finger hurts so bad from editing, and it's like really hard to continue editing now. So it's officially the last photo shoot day. I realized there was a couple of the Jade product photos that I didn't really like, so I'm gonna retake those today. My goal is to get all those edited tonight because I'm just realizing that I only have till tomorrow at midnight to get everything done because I want this launched Thursday night at midnight because that's technically Friday. And I also still need to take a banner photo. We're gonna have another all-nighter tonight. So what is this, like the 4th all-nighter? Honestly, I'm at the point now where I feel like I have lost all patience for taking photos, and I just feel like I can't do it, if that makes any sense. Like, everything seems so tedious. I'm sick of it. Time to do a potential banner shot. And I say potential because who knows if I'm gonna like it. So I think I'm just gonna display like all the products on the sink. Hopefully it'll work. I'm officially dead. I'm so tired. Like, I literally feel like I'm sick, but I know I'm not sick. I'm just physically totally drained. My calves hurt. I don't know why my calves are sore. All right, I couldn't do that to myself. I went and just got ready really quick because I don't want to have to edit that part of my video later while looking like that. Say hi to Luna. Continuing what I was saying is, even though this whole process was a ton of work and I physically exhausted myself from it, it was so totally worth it. Basically, what I have left to do is I want to go through and redo all my Etsy listings. They sort of just need, you know, a little update. I also am going to create separate listings for like the larger size to the smaller size. Yeah, I need to get going. Yeah, wish me luck. This is what I'm gonna do all day. So I've been sitting here since the last time we talked, but it's 12:32 a.m. now, and I'm still not done with renewing all these listings. I do only have like 4 left, but this is taking way longer than I expected it to. I didn't think it would be this difficult. I've just reached my limit with this, and it's so hard for me to sit here and concentrate. I'm just sick of being on the computer. So yeah, my shop's still not launched at midnight like I wanted it to be, but whatever, it'll be up by the time the morning comes, so that's fine. It's 2:15 a.m. I'm all finished. Let's take my shop off vacation mode. Change layout. Big banner. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really like it. It looks super cute. Okay. It's 5:42 and I just announced on Instagram on my story that I did my rebranding. I announced on my YouTube community tab. I am tired, but I don't feel like I can sleep right now. But I'm glad this is done. There's still things to do, but the hardest part is over. So my cat just sneezed. Here is just an overview of all my products now. I did have so much more on the shelf, but you all really came through this past weekend. So now everything comes packaged in these cute little white boxes, except for the ones for the 1 ounce jars that have pumps on them. I couldn't find them in white, so these are brown. And I'm kind of going for this celestial vibe. These are the Stardust serums. We have Full Moon serum. We have Gemini, since I am a Gemini. And I actually did already have all these body scrubs, which are heavily inspired by Sailor Moon because they're named after all the planets, and I've always been obsessed with Sailor Moon since I've been a kid. And then I even added these little moons to the boxes to sort of add to the celestial vibe. And yeah, basically I'm just going for I don't know, galaxy, outer space. And I mean, I have products named Cloud and Blossom, and those aren't very outer space vibes, but they're still cute to me and just fit the vibe.
We have jade, which is named after the gemstone jade. So things like that, just, I don't know, anything that I think is cute and that's kind of like galaxy type of vibes. And sneak peek to those of you guys who made it to the end of this video, this is a sneak peek at one of my new products and my other new product. Those are the types of vibes I'm going for with my business now. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much. I got an overwhelming amount of orders over the weekend. I did not expect that many orders. They're all shipped out now, so hopefully you guys receive those soon. And just thank you. I really appreciate all the support you guys show me. It's so amazing to be in this position. I'm so happy with my brand now, and I'm really excited to see where it goes. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy the rebranding, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.
Myself with music and find someone to listen.